Hey there, YouTubes. Today I have to change the tube and the tire on the e-bike. So I have everything set up. I think I have all the same tools as the last time I did this on the blue e-bike. So let's see how it goes. First I'm going to clip this tie so that I can unplug. Unplug the back motor, because by doing that I can slide this up. So now I can get to this. Now that can come off. If you look at the derailleur, so this has to come off for it to come out of just that out of the way. Since we've done that, now we can just hang this down. And you don't have to take this one all the way off and keep it there, because then you're just going to pull it out. And I'm not even going to mess with the derailleur. Just going to come out. Grab the kickstand. Just going to come up. Oh. And he's going to come here. Send that out. And then the tube usually helps you get the rest of it. So that's what happened. It blew a sidewall. And that in turn blew the tube. And take the valve stem off. Or the cover to the valve stem off. So we'll go through the hole. While I have it this far, I'm going to check for any. Look right there. There's a burr. That's going to pop my tube. Yep, all these little holes, for some reason, have a burr on them. Alright, so we'll pause for 1 second. So, just went and got file real quick. Knock that burr down. And take the time to look for a smaller file. Alright. I will feel a lot better about that. There's no spokes coming through. I like to put one side on first. And normally, do it this way so you can see it's not too bad until you get down to this very last little bit. And then sometimes you just take and there you go, save your fingers, put that in there. Now, I just had the idea before putting the tube in that it might help fit it in there properly because the tube comes stuck, right? Or like flat like this. And it's not the way you want to put it in there. So I'm just going to give it a little air to unstick that from itself. Just like that. A few pumps. I'm going to start away from the valve stem so that I'm not putting a bunch of pressure on that in the hole. I'm going to get that all the way around. Move it where I want. Then I can slip that right in there. Okay. So I'd have to say that's pretty good. Now I'm just going to push this down. This is my first 4-inch tire. Look at that went. These tires are way easier to change than the bigger rim, like the regular tires. So now that it's there, let's pop it back on the bike. Everything just goes right back on in reverse, being sure this goes through here. It's going to remind me where that goes. This sits down in there. This is a slotted fork. That's going to go in there. That's going to go in there. Pack. This is what protects that. Put that there. Bring this back up. Everything is slotted. So we'll get that back on. Like that side in. Okay. Everything looks good. This looks like it will feed right back there just fine. Around that. That goes. Oh. Okay, so there's the first lesson. There is a orientation preferred. Oh, geez, oh, peace. There's an orientation preferred on this nut. And well, it's an orientation on the shaft. And you want the shaft to be slotted in the position puts that up, and that so this little slot here, the slot has to be up, or else your cable management system is screwed up. Alright, put this bad boy back together. What? Oh. Okay. So now, once I tighten this, so this will go back on. This go through here. Perfect. Perfect. Good to go there.